Last cut then, Danish pie. It's a good cut because it's pretty much like a bit of an all-rounder. You're good for straight up trees, you're good for slightly leaning forward or backwards or sideways. The only thing you're not good for is heavy leaning. It's not a replacement for the dog's tooth. But it's good because sometimes, like especially with those pines, you know, it might look like it's forward leaning or straight, but then it comes back over and then, you know, they're a bit wibbly wobbly and you can't really tell where they're leaning, yeah? And on top of that, you've got the wind as well. Sometimes that could be blowing it one way and then the other. So this is a good cut because it's a bit of a like safety cut that covers you for a range of different scenarios. So what we're going to do is put the gob cut in as normal. And then the bore cut goes in all the way through, exactly the same as the dog's tooth. Set your hinge, okay, pull the bar out 50%, and then you just go straight out the back. And then you've got this like kind of L shape cut out within the tree, and the back corner is still attached. Put your lever in, or your wedges, whatever you're going to use. Some people call it safe corner as well, yeah? We're just going straight below both where those cuts are. You'll see in a second. Slightly different from the split level because we're not doing it at an angle, so it's just flat. So this is where sometimes when you start introducing this cut, people start doing split Danishes and they're just getting a bit confused between the two. I mean, it's slightly leaning sideways, isn't it? But I want to try and fell it down there, yeah? So there's this bit on the back here, you see this root flare. It's actually quite handy. Yeah, it's in the perfect place really. So I'm just going to leave that on. I might just tidy up this buttress on this side a little bit and maybe a bit on the front. But other than that, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Same thing with that big step, yeah? So I'm going to start the cut, initiate the cut in the same place about here. Big old step. So I'm in that straddling the gob position, bore it all the way through. Around a bit more. And you see why I took that buttress a bit lower? Yeah, because if I had that the same height as my gob and I went to bore all the way through, there's a good chance it could get stuck on the saw and I wouldn't get all the way through the tree. Okay, you'll see now that I've cut there where that stick is, and I've cut there. Can you see that? So now there's this kind of like quarter at the back, which is exactly where that root is, that flare, yeah? So all I need to do now is come underneath both those sticks. I don't need to go all the way up to the hinge because that's already cut. So I'm going to go all the way up to the, under those sticks, just making sure that that's cut completely, and then the tree's completely under my control. Straight on the log pile. So if you have a look at this cut, see what happened, yeah? So put the gob in, okay, bored in, started with my cut from about here, bored it in all the way through, set my hinge, it's a nice 10% there all the way along, pulled it out 50%, straight out the back, leaving this bit still attached. Then across, put my lever or the wedges in, put little sticks for your markers, cut underneath it. Happy days.